We are faced with a lot of processed foods, preservatives, additives, and pollution every day. The main way the body gets rid of these toxins is through the liver. The liver is constantly detoxifying the blood, processing it into nutrients for the body to use. When the liver isn't working properly, the digestion process, along with the absorption of fat, is greatly affected. There are a lot of detox plans for the liver out there, and most of them work wonders. However, if you want to have a healthy liver at all times, you should start cutting out processed foods as much as possible while incorporating the next 5 foods that cleanse the liver naturally into your diet. Garlic. A minimal amount of garlic has the ability to activate enzymes that help the body flush out toxins. Garlic also has high amounts of arginine and selenium, natural compounds that aid in liver cleansing. Selenium is a mineral that assists the liver in the detoxification process. Arginine is an amino acid that relaxes the blood vessels, helping reduce the blood pressure in the liver. Fresh garlic cloves are the best option instead of processed minced garlic or powder. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie has high amounts of antioxidants and chlorophyll. Broccoli is high in fiber that aids in digestion, cleansing the body of toxins. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin E, an important antioxidant for the liver. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which aids the body in synthesizing toxic minerals into substances that can be absorbed by water. Grapefruits also contain glutathione, which is involved in tissue building and repair, and also in the production of chemicals and protein that are needed in the body. Grapefruit contains over 70 mg of glutathione per 100 g of fruit, which assists the liver in the production of detox enzymes while strengthening the immune system. Leafy greens. Leafy greens have been shown to protect the liver by neutralizing metals, chemicals, and pesticides from both foods and the environment. Spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens. They are packed with chlorophyll, which assists in liver function by purifying the blood. They are also believed to increase bile flow, helping rid the body of waste products. As with all the foods we've discussed, you should try to consume organic leafy greens. Beets. Beets are extremely high in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, helping stimulate and improve overall liver function. Beets also contain pectin, a soluble fiber that keeps you full while cleansing your body. Beets help the body flush out toxins that would otherwise be stored in our liver, so they can be evacuated out of the blood instead of reabsorbed by the bloodstream. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more natural tips and tricks, click subscribe.